Mag 1 month grocery haul tayo, guys. So what we got, meron tayong chicken. Chicken tayo, chicken. Iyan na natin to repack. Repack it, repack. Butter, sour cream, meron tayong coconut milk, may cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese, and cinnamon sandwich, and frozen shrimp. Mayroon akong nakitang chicken gizzards and chicken liver. This is my husband's bait. Fish bait. It's gonna be Familla's bait. Angel fruit cake. Tayo ditong taco. Nacho cheese taco. Meron tayong scallop. Potatoes. Angel hair pasta and fettuccine. Another one. Liquid soy sauce, seasoning, and then oyster sauce. Tayong pesto, parmesan pesto. Tayong pineapple para bukas magpa-pineapple fried rice tayo. Meron tayong ice cream. Ito sa akin. No, this is for my afam. I like that. And it's from me. And for the kids, cotton candy. Cracker for Della. And some instant salad na. Also have some Mountain Dew. And ice cream, popsicle. Tayong egg. 12 dozen na egg. More snacks for the kids. Which is it. Crackers for Della. Half and half cream. Heavy whipping cream. Yung honey mustard. Glaze. Strawberry glaze for our fruit cake. My grated Parmesan cheese. Meron tayong Fanta pineapple. Taco seasoning. Bread over here. Bread. We have salami. Snack cheese sticks for the kids. Another Philadelphia cheese. Cream cheese. Tayong cinnamon rolls na ready to bake na siya. Another one is orange roll. Tapos meron tayo dito peanut butter and chocolate snack mix. Of course, my sushi. Nagkanda mix. Ang sauce and chopstick, and meron tayong ham para sa ating cordon bleu. Meron tayong cashew para sa ating stir-fried chicken, cashew, unsalted butter. Meron tayong bell pepper. Meron tayong banana. And crab salad. Beef. We have another meat. Chicken. And salmon. And meron tayong milk. Another milk. For the kids. And meron tayong sandwich, luncheon meat, and bacon and steak. That's it. A total of $400. So ito yung ating napamili. Ayan.